Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you could already see by the title, is going to be a little fall vlog. We're going to go decor shopping. I'm going to decorate my room, just get in the spirit. The weather is changing here in New York. It's finally getting a little bit colder, and I want to do a little room revamp for the season. I feel like I do these every season, like I'm sure around winter, Christmas time, I'll do another little like winter vlog type, getting in the spirit. We're gonna see where the rest of the day takes us. But if you're not already, be sure to like this video and subscribe and follow my Instagram, which I will put down below. I want to kind of show you guys my outfit, but it's hard. I'm wearing this sweater from, I think, Pretty Little Thing, and then these jeans from Garage. They're just like cargo jeans. They're like one of my favorite pairs of jeans. I wear them all the time. And I'm probably just gonna wear either some loafers or just some regular Air Force Ones. Grab my bag and I will see you on the road. This is bad. Oh. You guys, we did damage. There's about 5 or 6 bags behind me. I'm going to give you guys a little haul right now. I just ordered pictures to put in the picture frames that I got. I'm gonna go pick them up in a little bit, but I figured I'd give a little haul beforehand. Okay, so my bedspread for my bed that I'm gonna put on for the fall time, I already ordered and I have it in the other room. I'm gonna wait to show you guys that, but I got a little throw blanket, sorry, to go over it. Just this white with this like orange striping on it. It's so soft, and I thought it was like simple and cute just to throw over the bedding. You'll see the color and everything once I show you. And then this is like literally the cutest thing ever. It's a little like fuzzy pumpkin that I'm gonna put on my little dresser over there as like a little decoration. Okay, this next bag only has one thing I think in it, and it's just this little throw pillow. It's this round, like soft, fuzzy material, and I think it's gonna match really well with the other 2 pillows I'm gonna show you on the bedspread. So I got 2 of these like burnt orange type of velvety throw pillows that I'm going to put with this fuzzy white one and the throw blanket and the bedspread. So I think it's gonna look cute together. We're gonna see though once I start to decorate and reorganize this room. Then I just picked up this picture frame that I am going to put prints in. It's for like right above my desk. I'm going to show you guys once I hang it up. But my walls have been like really bare in my room, and they definitely need something. This isn't so much fall themed, but just like redecorating, you know, getting my room revamped and everything. And I also picked up this one to go on the other wall in my room by where the chalkboard is, kind of where the door is where you walk in. So I'll show you that too once I hang that up. I'm kind of nervous to hang these up by myself. I don't know why, like it's literally just hanging a picture frame, like Liv, I can do this. Okay, so then in this bag we have 2 candles. One is Maplewood Pumpkin. They smell so good. And then I just got a pack of lighters for the candles. But yeah, that's my little haul so far. I am probably just gonna chill here a little bit, clean up some of this mess, and go pick up the pictures, and then decorate and continue our little day. It's a couple hours later. I just finished dinner, and I put the pictures in one of the frames. You guys aren't gonna know any of these people, but this is my dog, and this is him when he was younger, and just these are all like really sentimental to me, so I'm excited to put them up. But we have a slight problem. So the other frame that I got was an 11 by 14 frame. I know that the picture needed to be 11 by 14 because I can read. I go on my phone, go to the website, click the picture, order it. I press 8 by 10. I don't know, because I knew it wasn't gonna fit. I fully ordered the picture, went to the place, picked it up, took it out, tried to put it in the frame, and oh my god, it didn't fit. That's so crazy. So I'm gonna need to order an 11 by 14 picture. And I'll probably just like post that on Instagram or something when everything is done. So be sure to follow me on there if you're not already. So I think I'm just gonna start decorating and cleaning my room. It is currently 8:16 p.m. so it's a lot later. But I want to see how much I can get done and still have like a chill night, shower, get cozy. Okay, so this picture frame is going to be hung up like right over here. I just need to get command strips before I do that. So I'm just going to lay it right there behind my computer so it doesn't like fall or break. But I love the way it turned out and I think it's going to look so cute. So I just finished cleaning my room and putting my little decorations together, getting my bed together. But now I'm ready to shower for the day. I'm going to just take a body shower quickly. I washed my hair yesterday with the Way Detox shampoo, and I really like it. I think I got it in a couple videos ago. I'm not sure. I feel like it's been so long since I filmed, but it's been really working for my hair. So I will see you guys when I'm out of the shower. It is currently 12:23 a.m. I just brushed my teeth and you guys saw I did my skincare. I'm probably just gonna edit this video now, watch some TV, maybe read a little bit, and just go to bed. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and definitely be sure to subscribe if you aren't already, follow my socials, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!